And this report could be a political volcano for several reasons. For one, it could prove decisive in shaping BJP's political landscape. What the report says could also be used as a political tool depending on the findings, and it could also sharpen the Congress-BJP debate over the Babri demolition. Let's now take a look at those whose names could feature in the Libahan report. The first is senior BJP leader L.K. Advani, accused of whipping up emotions when he led a Rath Yatra to Ayodhya in 1990. He's also the one believed to have demanded construction of Ram Temple at the Babri Masjid site and also allegedly exhorted people to stop central forces moving to Ayodhya. The other politician under the scanner is then UP Chief Minister Kalyan Singh, who acquired land and built the foundation for Ram Temple around the Babri Masjid. Also, despite his filing an affidavit in the SC promising not to cause any damage to the mosque, the demolition did take place. Another name from the BJP is that of Murli Manohar Joshi, who was allegedly present at the December 5th secret meeting at Vinay Katiyar's house, where the decision to demolish the masjid was taken. Also, Firebrand leader Uma Bharti is believed to have been part of the December 5th secret meeting. She also reportedly congratulated other BJP and VHP leaders when the masjid's domes fell. Now, the Libahan report could also seal the fate of VHP leader Ashok Singhal, who faces allegations of inciting car sevaks for the masjid's demolition on December 6, 1992. Another name that features is Vinay Katiyar, senior BJP leader who is believed to have been on the forefront of the conspiracy. It was at his residence that a secret meeting attended by L.K. Advani and others was held on December the 5th. Another name is that of Firebrand VHP leader Sadhvi Ritambara, who also joins the list of those who could find themselves in trouble. She allegedly exhorted car sevaks to bring down the Babri Masjid on December 6th. VHP leader Giriraj Kishore allegedly made provocative statements on the day of the demolition justifying the act, and another VHP leader Vishnu Hari Dalmia is accused of mobilizing car sevaks for the demolition, and his fate may also be decided by the Libahan report. And finally, RSS leader K.S. Sudarshan is also accused of being part of the conspiracy to demolish the Babri Masjid.